Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to talk to you about dialing directly from Act Premium Cloud out to my mobile phone, which in this case is an iPhone. So there's a couple things I want to point out to you. First, over here on the right hand side I have Windows program called PhoneLink set up and configured with my iPhone. You'd have to set that up before this process. It's not that hard. There's good instructions, and if you're not sure what to do, reach out to me and I'll help you. Once you set up PhoneLink with your iPhone, the next step is in Act, go to a contact, and you'll notice here I have George Jetson's from the Jetson Contraptions phone number and mobile phone number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on the mobile phone number, and over here on the right hand side this number appears. Next, all I have to do to dial is click on this phone icon. And now it's going to jump out to my mobile phone and dial this number. Now, this is a fake number, so I'm going to end this at this point. But that will go out to my mobile phone. And what I have with my mobile phone is a headset that I wear. It's a Bluetooth headset. It's actually a bone-conduction headset, so it doesn't block my ears. It goes over my ears. If you've never tried one of those devices, reach out to me. I really like it because I can wear it and I don't feel like the world around me is quiet. I can hear everything going on. So, a couple things to observe here. One, you'll notice this window takes up about a third of my screen. This window takes up about 2/3 of my screen. The way you can do that is I have the PhoneLink window and the Act Premium Cloud window on the same monitor. I have a couple monitors in my office. When you put your pointer on the maximize button, you'll notice you get some options. This is the one I'm using right here. I clicked on this to put the PhoneLink here. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click on this to put Act over here on the left. So in other words, that little tool allows you to size your windows in a way that fits for you. If for some reason you want 3 things open of the same size, you could do that as well. Or if you want to make these equal size. But this is what works for me. So you have this set up. Now you can dial phone numbers. It goes right out to your mobile phone. And it's like you dialed it by hand without having to do that work. I have to be honest with you, when that first came out, I didn't think it was going to be something I like as much as I do. It just makes the process of doing a little bit of phone work just a little bit easier. So after I make the call and I hang up, either right on the mobile phone or I can hang up over in the PhoneLink area, what's going to happen is I will then go in and come up and click on history, and I will record a history of what happened. Now I can put things here in the title area. This is the description of what happened. And I can just put in test 1, for example. I can reschedule things here if I want to by doing a save and follow-up, but typically I'll just hit save. And the reason I do that is because now when you look at the call reach field, it put today's date in the call reach field, and that's what I was looking for. So I can keep track of who I've called and who is due for a call based on that date. Okay, my friends, I just wanted to illustrate this to you. Again, this is my mobile phone, my iPhone, through PhoneLink and Act Premium Cloud. And the dial-in is easy. Okay, have a great day. Bye now.